What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make money on YouTube without a channel. Yes, that's right, you do not need a channel. There's so many ways to make money on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you a simple way that you can do right now and start earning money tonight. It is that simple, it goes so quick. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's hop over the computer, I'll show you right now how you can make money. Okay, so let me show you how you can make money on YouTube without a channel, okay? The process is actually very simple. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go find other channels that are, it doesn't have to be something that you have a strong passion for, okay? For example, let's say you're really interested in, we'll do being a goalkeeper. Okay, I talked about this in the previous video. I'm talking about it again. How to do a diving save. Okay, something like that. Okay, for goalkeepers. Now, the reason why I want to even show you this is because it's a great way to make some money. One, without having your own channel. Two, without having to establish a community already. You can start making money today. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're essentially going to create videos for another YouTuber. So what that means is somebody else has a channel and we come in and we're going to start creating videos for them. So number one, they're going to get the money for the YouTube ads, and we are going to, in exchange for creating the video for them, all we want is an affiliate link inside the description. Okay, and within the first link inside the description box is going to be our affiliate link. That's it. Okay, so let's say we come down here. First thing we want to do, we want to find a YouTube channel that has anywhere over 10,000 subscribers. The reason why I like to stick to 10,000 or above is because, and I used to be a little bit under that, but the reason why I stick to 10,000 or higher is because those are the channels that are usually growing the fastest, and also they get a decent amount of views already, that if you go and publish a video, hopefully it's going to be seen by a bunch of people, hopefully a few thousand. Because if a few thousand people see one video and hopefully, let's say 1% of the people actually click the link, you'll be getting a decent amount of sales from that one video. So tonight, you'll start making some money, all right? Here's what we do. How to do a diving save, okay? I'm going to go and filter that by upload date. The reason why I want to do this is because I want to try to weed out the big channels that have, 200, 300,000 subscribers. They're probably not going to allow me to do a video just yet. I need to work my way up. So this is what I want to do. So this one right here, England, they're probably not going to let me do it. The Dodo, not going to let me do it. This one right here, not many subs. The hard part is finding the right channel. This one right here, okay? Look at this one. Let's go and open this one. Okay, this was done a year ago, 5,000 views. Okay, hopefully he does. It's all about goalkeeping. Okay, this is just one niche. All right, let's go to videos. Let's get out of that. So let's look right here. Okay, so this one 3 days ago. He's insane. Goalkeeper saves. He's Nike Mercurial Touch Victory Gloves play test. So he's doing a review here, a review here, review here. Okay, so the nice thing about this is, what if I have another pair of gloves, okay, which I do, sitting right over here, that I could do a review on and stick them on his channel. Okay, now I'm gonna have to create the video, I'm gonna have to put in some work, but then I could do a review on those gloves and I could promote those. He's still gonna make the money from YouTube ads, okay, because he has enough subscribers, he probably has enough watch time, and I'm gonna make the money from anytime those gloves actually sell by people clicking on his link. Okay, it's that simple. I just come over here and I create a video, something related to what he's already talking about, and we can see it right here. Goalkeeping, right? Simple. Let's talk about some type of health thing. How to reduce ankle swelling. How to reduce ankle swelling, all right? Do the same thing. Filter, come over here, upload date. And let's try to find like this one right here, right side, okay? 2 months ago, 93 views. If you're wondering what this is This is done by vidIQ right over here. I also have another thing that pops up. It's TubeBuddy. You can see that as well. I'll put a link down below if you want to get TubeBuddy. I highly recommend it. vidIQ, I use the free version. I'm not a big fan of the paid version, but if you want to get it, go for it. This one right here. We're going to click on this one. Okay, actually we're going to click on the actual channel, right side right here. Okay, we'll open that up. The reason why we want to do that is because when we go to videos, we want to see what kind of videos they're doing. What are the causes of white hair at young age? Okay, a month ago. Okay, get the idea. So it's all about health, which would be great. Okay, so 5 effective home remedies for gum disease. How to get rid of gingivitis at home. Okay, cool. So what if we do one on that? 8 foods that can change your eye color in 60 days. Okay, we can do a video on that. There's so many options right here. Look at this. You can even go back and see what their most popular video is. And this is a great strategy. Okay, go back and see their most popular video. And if it's done a while ago, so 8 months ago, do it again. Make a remake of it. Okay, make a remake of it because, okay, maybe this isn't the one, I wouldn't do this one, but, you get the idea. I'd make sure I do a video that is a remake of something that they've done in the past because, number one, it was proven to work. Their audience actually liked it. So chances are it's going to work again, all right? That's how simple it is, okay? Let's say we don't want to do this one. We're going to do a different one. Let me give you another example. Let's say we're going to go and promote. Let's go find a product. Let's go find today's deals. Let's do a look. Okay, and we'll come up with an idea. Okay, look at this, a mixer right here. Okay, we'll use a mixer. Best desserts. To make at home. There we go. Best desserts. Top 8 tasty desserts. Cool. All right, let's go back, filter this one. Go upload date. The reason why we're going to go after desserts is because we want to promote this right here, this Hamilton Beach stand mixer, which is 1,020 reviews. That's what we're going to do. Okay, right here. Okay, look at this. This one, food and travel, 28,000 subscribers. Okay, 5 days ago, 60 views. Something is wrong with that. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on with it, but we can come in here, we can check it out. Okay, let's go look at their videos. Okay, 4 hours ago, 8 hours ago, 5 days ago. You get the idea. This would be a decent one. It's not getting a ton of views, not getting a ton of subscribers, I don't think. Okay, but what it's doing is it's being consistent. So all we gotta do, come over here and how to make so whatever this is. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, but if we want to sell this special dish right here, we can do that. We can come over to Amazon, okay, and we can find the actual dish that they're using. Okay, go to the page, get our text link. We're good to go. That's all we have to do. That's how simple this is. Okay, that is the process. It's very simple, very easy. You just have to put in the work. And like I'm saying, okay, figure out one niche, one idea, and go and talk to and go send messages to all those people. All you gotta do, come over here to the channel, go to the about page, okay, and hopefully somewhere in here there's gonna be, it'll say like email, and then you gotta say who you are. This one has a Facebook page. Simple. You message them over on Facebook. Okay. Let's see. Let's find another one really quick. The same channel. Don't know. Let's see. It's like this one right here. Recipes with me. Let's click on that one. Go to all their videos. Okay. A day ago, over 1,000 views. 6 days ago, 6,000 views. A week ago, 2,000. Okay. You get the idea. Because some things, maybe you want to make ice cream or something. Okay. Ice cream maker. There we go. Let's say you want, fresh at home, homemade ice cream right here. This is the one you want. Ice cream maker, brush chrome, cool. It's on sale, it's like less than half off. All right, that's the one we want. Okay, that's the one we really want to talk about. So maybe you have that at your house, or maybe you talk about right here, how to make tender coconut ice cream from home. If you don't have an ice cream maker, no big deal. There's other ways you can do it. You can hand mix it. You can do whatever you want. use what, crushed ice or whatever it is. And then you say, but if you want an easier way, maybe you need this Cuisinart Ice 70 electronic ice cream maker. It's in brushed chrome. Big sale right now. Okay, go get it and get it on Amazon. Simple. And then you push everybody over to Amazon, right? And you sell the product. That's how simple this whole strategy is. And what I want you to understand about this entire strategy is it can be applied to any industry, any niche, any passion, any hobby, any person in any country. You can do this. You just have to figure out what product you want to promote on the back end and just say, hey, if you want it, it's in the description box below. That's it. So before you rush off and start making some money, I first just want to give you a few tips, okay? Tip number one is you're going to send out emails and messages and go over on Facebook, maybe DM people on Instagram to try to get them to respond and to, take you up on your offer. They will let you use their channel and you create the video. They get all the money from YouTube ads and you make the money from any affiliate sales. Now, in order to do this, you gotta send out a bunch of messages. You have to send out a bunch of emails. I'm not talking like 10 or 15. I'm talking about 50, 100, maybe even more. Okay, you have to send out as many as possible if you want to get more and more money. It is a must. The second tip that I have for you guys, like I already mentioned, don't go after the big dogs. Don't go after people with 100,000, a million subscribers that are doing daily uploads, because they're probably gonna say no. They don't know who you are. They don't want to do a collaboration. They don't want to have a guest video on their channel. So they're probably just gonna say no, or they will not respond at all. What I'm saying is go after the channels that have 15, 20, 25,000 subscribers, right around that area, because they're still small enough that they're making a little bit of money, and they're big enough that you can actually gain some of their subscribers, some of their viewers. You can actually get them to buy the product that you're recommending. All right, it doesn't matter what the product is, as long as it fits within that niche, that category, that topic. All right, that's a must as well. Tip number 3, just be consistent. Okay, when you find a channel, when you find a YouTuber that says, yes, go for it, create a video, send it off to me, let me review it, and then I'll publish it on my channel. When you find somebody like that, make sure you build an established relationship with them. If you do this, it's not just one video that they're gonna let you publish. As long as they're getting some results, they're making some money from it, from YouTube ads, what's gonna happen is they might ask you to do another one, or they might say, hey, do you have another idea? Because that one video you did extremely well. I'd be more than happy to have you back on and do another video. That's where you really take that channel, you help them grow, but at the same time, okay, again, you don't have to have your own channel. If you do, much better, it would be even better. But if you don't, no big deal. You just send all that traffic, you funnel all those views over to your affiliate link and sell that product. That's it, all right? So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you are not yet a subscriber, make sure you subscribe today. Click that bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.